over 700 acres of land, 5,000 different animals. Here we are in Toronto Zoo. Let's explore. Admission tickets to Toronto Zoo can be purchased online. The prices range from $15 for kids to $37 for an adult. If you're a canoe member, you simply show your membership and it's free. Likewise, you can also use your city pass to visit the zoo. There are many additional services like Zoo Mobile Tour and various wild encounters to choose from. I strongly recommend purchasing the Zoo Mobile tickets. Having stops in 5 domains of the park, it is a convenient way to cover the entire park in one day. Trust me, you will add 20,000 steps to your step count for sure. The best thing about Zoo Mobile is you can hop on or hop off at any stop as many times you want. The Zoo Mobile is at 10 to 15 minute interval and you will definitely thank me for considering this option. The Zoo Mobile goes in just one direction, with Canadian Domain being the first stop, and subsequently stops at Africa, Tundra, Eurasia and back to the main station. The zoo has 7 main domains. I chose to get off the Zoo Mobile at Africa. I finished Africa and walked to Canadian Domain as it is close by. Once you finish Canadian Domain, board the Zoo Mobile at Canadian Domain to avoid huge lineups as Africa gets really busy to board. Depending on the time of the day, you will either see those animals active or sleeping. Among the 7 domains, Africa is the major one where you get to see a lot of animals. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the entire tour of the zoo from here. Enjoy the zoo virtually and try naming all those animals and comment below to see how many species you got it right.
now, but it was open earlier today. This is actually the first weekend that Splash Island is open. So between now and
That completes the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And hey, a super thanks will be appreciated and can help me make more content like these. Until I see you next time, it's me Manoj Kumar Sundar signing off.